Did you know that the next step after Ifa, consultation or divination as you might know it, is to feed your chi, activate your chi, or energize your chi? Feeding, activating, energizing, whichever one you want to call it, is a process of aligning with your first force, aligning with your guardian angel, your chi. Your chi, when energized, activated, or fed and properly venerated daily through daily igofo, goes ahead of you to stand in the way against your enemies who might think or do ill against you. Your chi is a defense mechanism because as your first force, they go ahead of you to protect your name and protect your person. Your chi also goes further to put thoughts of you in the hearts of your helpers. So you've heard the term of destiny helpers. How do you think they came about? It is because your chi is active. Now, you might have come across the saying in Igbo which says, "Akpọnwata chi aza," meaning when a child is called, the chi responds. That is the place of your chi. Your chi speaks for you in the spirit realm and helps bring down whatever desires and prayers that you might want to take up. Your chi is responsible for that. One way that you are not able to do chi feeding after Afa is if you must do cleansing, which I recommend to everybody who is coming on the journey of spirituality. Cleansing is highly recommended to every person to clear the path for you. And then if during Afa it was discovered that you have witchcraft attacks and witchcraft activities around you, such as Uke, Akagoli, their success syndrome, there are different names they call it, right? Amusu and all that. If those activities are seen in your life through Afa, then you also have to pave the way of all negative energies that have, affected your life. Then you can proceed to feeding your chi and your Chi Ikenga. Energizing your chi makes you powerful. It makes you stand out. It makes, a lot of good come towards you because you have paved the way from every negativities and the road is clear and your chi moves straight on. No stopping. You become like a moving train. Feed your chi today. If you have any questions, feel free to use the comments or you just DM me. My name is Ngozi Eunice Versatile and I am here to help guide you to getting to know yourself, acknowledge yourself, and begin on your journey to true spirituality because the aim is to reawaken true consciousness from within. May the peace be with you.